From NADA Used Car Guide at the J.D. Power Studios, this is your used car industry update with executive analyst Jonathan Banks.
Wholesale used vehicle prices fell by an average of 1.7% in April, largely due to a poor performance across car segments for the month. As a result of the meager showing, NADA Used Car Guide seasonally adjusted used vehicle price index fell for the fifth straight month, dropping by 0.6 from March to 118. The softness exhibited over the first third of the year placed the index 4% below 2015's four-month average and dropped to its lowest level in more than 5 years. In April, subcompact car depreciation was especially steep. Prices for the group fell by 4.3%, nearly double the 2.3% loss averaged by the two closest segments, which are compact and mid-sized cars. The luxury car segment trailed closely behind as prices fell by 2.1%. April's performance pushed year-to-date losses for the group to nearly 6% versus the fourth quarter of 2015. That's the highest in the industry. Among other notable segments, compact utility prices continue to slip compared to past years. Depreciation for the group reached an average of 1.2% in April, while mild relative to the car losses described earlier, the drop was twice the amount of last year's rate. Prices for other truck segments generally firmed up in April after a somewhat depressed first quarter. Mid-size pickup, mid-size utility, luxury mid-size utility, and large pickup prices fell by a low average of roughly 0.5%, while large utility prices went essentially unchanged. Compared to the previous 4 weeks, auction volume of vehicles up to 8 years old fell by 5% over the period ending April 25th. Volume of 2016 model year units increased by 46% to 12,500. However, sales for other model years fell over the period. That established, there was a large increase in 2015 model year volume over the last week of April. Volume jumped by 24% compared to the previous 3-week average and brought the total to nearly 21,000 vehicles. Our forecast for the month has prices of vehicles up to 8 years in age falling by 2.8% to 3.3% relative to April. This year's forecast is similar to the 3% loss recorded for the month in 2015, but steeper than the 2.3% drop averaged the past 2 years. Looking ahead, prices in June and July are expected to fall by an average of 2.5 to 3%. Our full-year forecast remains unchanged from last month, with prices expected to be down 5 to 6% on an index basis from 2015. This would place prices below 2011 levels and mark one of the steepest non-recession declines experienced over the past 20 years. That's this month's market update. To download the full report, visit nada.com/B2B. Also, be sure to check out our vehicle reviews at nada.com/used car. We'll see you next time.